Okay, this is Jeffrey Lieutenant. I'm here with Mr. Brad Axelrod. He's a legal counsel for our company. We have a company called Global Capital Commodities, and at the same time, we're launching a quantum network. And we are in a war room right now. This particular war room shows a real time delivery of all the foreign currencies in the marketplace. And also, it can trade not only Forex, but also crypto and also futures as well. So, as you look at this, as we navigate these charts right here, first one on the left is euro dollar, middle is a pound dollar, then we have a dollar yen. As I migrate my cursor left to right, when you click with your mouse on the left hand side of the euro dollar, as you scroll up and down on your scroll, the chart changes in sizes. So that's how you
I got
navigate.
it. I see what it does. Yes. You,
Right.
you get a little crosshairs.
Yes, you got the crosshair, and this is coming from a third party network called TradingView. A TradingView has 500,000 subscribers already. They've been in the market for the last 10 years. They are the best charting packages I have ever seen. I've used every single chart packages in the last 25 years. So now, as you see this chart, you can see on there's a live signals on the left upper tab. Then to the right is the active trade. So go ahead and click active trades. You will immediately see you got eight. You can even scroll down as well. Actually, right now it's eight top trades. It shows, as you can see upper left, euro dollar. You can see on the lower part of uh, that square it says enter now. It's giving you the entry price. It's giving you the probability of the winning. It says 76%. Then you got the strength meter right there on the left, 1.0. Then you got the momentum of zero point 0.8. So these, don't worry about these numbers too much right now. The main focus in this war room is to go in there. You're going to trade live, and initially in the next 3 months, we're going to bring in about 1,000 agents. Now, some of those agents are going to be AI based. Each agent, each human can have up to 13 to 15 or as many agents as they want. That means we can create automatic trading systems for if you want to create 5 companies, XYZ1, XYZ2, what have you, you can gain funds, financial increase on each trade because we have an automatic trading system that detects the leverage of the power of when to go in to buy and when to go in to sell. As you can see, first, second, and a third, the USD is entered now. It's in red. Red means it's going down. When it's green, it's going up. So you are seeing 8 different pairs simultaneously. And when it says wait for entry, and you see wait for entry on some of these boxes, you don't want to trade those. Those you want to stay away from because they are the one that's just consolidating. Nobody's making no moves. Right now it's 2:13 p.m. on the Pacific Coast. That means the Australian market is going to be opening up in about an hour or two. I believe it's around 4:30, 5 o'clock. And so I
Hmm.
just wanted to give you an overview of this part. Then you go ahead and click on that entanglement piece on the right hand side of the active trades.
Right.
Go ahead and try that. Then
Flip
as
below
you
to experience the full act.
right,
What do I click?
that's just a viewing. That's just a viewing of animation, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna click it on my end of it. So scroll down, low as you can, then click on Launch Full Animation Experience. Click that.
Launch full animation experience. Okay.
Right, and that's the quantum piece. As you see the animation, we are not like digital signatures. We're not binary. We're not machine language. Everything here that we're doing is quantum entanglement. So there's no mathematics involved in this. Even the NASA engineers or quantum physicists, they don't even know the language of the quantum entanglement. So what does that mean? That means all the digital hackers in the world cannot penetrate our circle of quantum. So we just wanted to show that to the individuals of who we are, what we're about to do, and how it's going to all work out. So you can read about it at your own time. But right now, I just wanted to share that with you. But every time when you go anywhere in our universal network of PWE code that we developed, on the lower right hand corner, we have an AI, interactive AI that's going to answer any questions you may have. You can ask, so what can I trade today? So, you can ask, what kind of breakfast should I have today? No, that's a joke. Just pertain to what we're doing on our network. It will answer it to you as much as possible. It is just a pre-launch here, so we may have some little, uh, bugging here and there. So you're just gonna have to be patient and just send me the data as to what needs to be adjusted by the administration. So
Okay.
let's go ahead and click upper upper arrow going reverse back
Okay.
on your
So
website,
it's still at Quantum Network. I
right?
see a skyscraper
Okay,
with the
where
pictures of Godzilla and the
yeah, you see all those craziness, right?
right.
Which is super
Okay.
cool. So click on a quantum grid.
Oh, wait a minute. I got
And,
to go back now. Where do I go back now? I'm
no, no,
back to
just
the sign.
you see the
Back.
Godzilla and all that. Just stay in that
Okay.
mode. Just scroll up and you see it on the first row. It says quantum grid.
Quantum Entanglement Trading Center, War Room.
Okay, you're in a war room. You see the first row. You see you got combat, live, active, entanglement, and go to the right of the entanglement. Click quantum grid.
Quantum Grid. On it.
Okay. Then you will see our quantum transceiver antenna logo. Then you will see the digital formation of our spectrum analysis on our QTA, quantum transceiver antenna. It is
Right.
uh, it is it is a it is 40 dB, much greater than Samsung, which is 1 dB. So it's much more powerful. And Samsung do not do quantum delivery system. It is just regular frequencies such as UHF, VHF, just regular frequencies, two-way and so forth. Ours is way beyond. We can read any frequencies in the world, and we can change the frequencies the way we see fit. So if any digital hackers try to get into our network, they can't. We have a
So
100%.
how do you put this in a cell phone?
It is based on the chip. We have a chip already made, and also I'm going to show you what our transceiver antenna is looking like. We actually have it. We manufactured it already. We just need to get some serious prospects like hedge funds, banks, hospitals. They all need our tech because everybody in digital network have been breached, and with our supercomputer that's out now, uh, it's all been breached. 80% of the hospitals already been breached, and some of them they
Right.
don't even know when it's going to happen. It's their hacking technology there from hackers is dormant. It's just sitting there waiting for the penetration. So we do have personnel that can do pen test to hospitals, banks, uh, any types of large institutions. We can support them with the cyber pen testing. We will literally break into their system and tell them, hey, you guys are vulnerable. You need our help. So,
Well, you know that's what my son does, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the reason why. It's uh, uh, his name's Drake, right?
Yep.
Yeah, of course. He's badass. I love him. So yes, I just wanted to introduce you to you. Most people don't know what quantum is, but this is one of those showings that I wanted to do. Then when you click on the upper right hand corner, system guide, when you click that, it just tells you a little bit about the trading and building the network, quantum entanglement. It still is in it's in process, but what we do now is from there. Let's go and click left upper arrow on the web.
Got
Of,
it.
of course, on a mobile phone, it looks really badass too. This thing, it's we don't go through Google Play, we don't go through iTunes. Why pay those guys 30% of the money? Those
Which is
guys.
the home page, the dashboard?
This dashboard is an app. It's not just a
Okay.
website.
All right. But which one do I want to make when I go and I have a what do you call it? A shortcut for it. I create
Oh,
uh,
you will be given through the admin internally. You will be given a QR code because you can do that now. You can create a QR code and just share that link that you can share, and anyone that you share with, you'll be able to keep track of them. We know
Or I
who they.
saw that. I saw that. Hold
Yeah.
on, my prospects.
Yes, that's part of it. Or go
Isn't
to a
that at the where is that at the lower left?
CRM. Uh, you know,
CRM. I don't see CRM.
I think that's for me, since I'm the admin. I believe
Right.
there is a. Do you see a? Let's see, one, two, third row below on the left. You see a
Prospects.
back office. You see a back office?
All right, hold on. Which row is it?
Third
Third
row.
row
Yeah.
from the left.
Yes.
No, the last. The third row says Trading View Analysis, Quantum Super Trend, Documentation, and then on the bottom, last row, it only goes over two columns. It says Agent Inquiries and Master Growth Plan,
Okay, those are fine.
and then
Uh,
it's got nothing to the right of those.
so there's nothing in those squares that says back office.
No. Oh yeah. Here,
Back off. Click that.
got it. I'm there.
Okay. That back off, and you see immediately your QR code. That's your referral QR code you can send to whomever. Okay. Then on the
Right.
then on the right, let's see. Then yeah, scroll down from that QR code. You see a link there. That's your sharing link. You can sign people up with.
That's the referral link, right?
Yeah, that's what you send.
I send that, or I just send. Do I send the QR, just the QR code, or I don't
What
understand.
QR code is for people that is using a smartphone to sign up.
Right.
Okay, and if they have a desktop, you gotta send them the just the link. Just use the double square, just copy it, then you just email it to them or
The
text it to
referral
them.
link. Right.
Okay, and then
Yep.
you can track all your recruits, track the network, and grow the business. And
You're not
you got
you're
level
not you're not doing gold, are you?
gold trading. Yes, that's what futures are. We can do futures trading. It's a different types of trading, not the ones you're thinking, but these are Nasdaq. These are Chicago Board of Trading. This is a DEX. This is a FinCEN governs all the tradings in the world. So we are not dealing with high asset collateral trading. We're not doing that. But this is for people that want to trade just to make some extra revenue. If they have large margin accounts, from 10K all the way up to 20, even 100,000s, I've been there and done that. Uh, the rate of revenue is incredible because the magic of this our technologies, it finds the winning combination of trades.
Right. So how do I link a bank account to it to put money in?
That's a good question. What you do then is, let me see. Go ahead and click left arrow,
Yeah.
and when you do that, let's go to one of our sites. Uh, you may need to go to tradingview.com and then become their member. That you can sign up for free, but right now I show you where it looks like.
Okay. I see Trading View setup. So
Yeah.
that's that's where
Uh,
I do that.
well, let's go and take a look.
Okay. Let's do that.
Okay, that's for auto trading setup.
Okay.
This is the area you don't want to touch. I'm the one that's going to set it up for you, but this is
Okay.
where if you got to get trained on this a little bit, and I have the videos for it, and
Right.
I will manually teach you how this is done. So this is a URL automatic that is API application programming interface. It will be set up, and then you can be on any website and you can download automatic trading systems. It will trade for you based on the parameters. So when you see the square on top, webhook configuration, that's just API code. Then in column alert setups, those are programming that will set it up for you based on your how you want to trade. You're looking to do a short-term trade. You want to scalp, minute by minute. You want to do short-term intraday swing or the swing that can stay in the trade for 4 or 5, even 2 3 weeks on end. That's how banks are. They take a long position or short position with an incredible amount of stop loss set up, which is a safety. And every trade that we do, we create a safety net. Our auto trading system does it for you. In other words, You just signed up for auto trading setup. Then you just set it up, put your money in it, then just walk away. And
So where's the auto trading setup? That's
well, it says on
that's
top when Trading View Auto Trading Setup. You see that written on top of that website.
yes, I do. Yes.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
wait. It says Trading View setup, right?
yeah, it's in purple. Right,
Trading View auto trade setup inactive.
it's
So
inactive right now because uh,
I toggled it on.
like you, I mean, the bottom line is you can click on that black circle,
Yeah,
and
it
when you
went to the
click,
right.
yeah, then went to the right, then it's green. That means you
But,
need to get it because right there it'll give you the, you can copy that API code, the URL, and you'll be activated. And I have to turn that on the back end. So in order to get that set up, is you have to deposit the funds into an account, and TradingView does that for you as well. They have multiple forex brokers that will set it up for you because brokers are getting paid by every clicks, every trading situation. You buy euro dollar, they get very small spread on it, and it's unlike stock market. Stock market, I remember trading at $8 every time you trade on a stock. You,
yeah,
you pay,
it's in and out. Yeah, I
right?
remember. It's been
So
years. Yeah.
it's
Now, so
crazy.
what if I? How do I set up the auto trading setup? I've got it. It didn't turn green. I just clicked it to the right,
Hmm.
and it's still black.
It's black because you're not set up yet on from my
Okay.
end. I have to
Oh,
because when you get set up on it, I have to activate it from my end because I don't want any traders to go in there and start messing with our system. You see what I'm
got
saying?
it. Yeah.
So I need to get you set up on it, but I just wanted to give you a scenario of what it looks like. Then you see as you scroll down, you see currency pair preferences. Which ones would you
Where's that?
like to trade? You know,
Okay, wait a minute. I see. Okay, major pairs, minor pairs,
right,
major and minor, custom selection. I wouldn't know how to do it, but
right.
anyway.
Those I have to coach you on. And major pairs are anything that has to do with the USD, which is a US dollar.
Okay.
Minor
So
pairs,
nothing.
minor pairs does not have the USD involved in it. It could be like Euro yen, Pound yen, or Kiwi, which is New Zealand,
Right.
Kiwi Swiss, Swiss yen. So those are minor pairs. And then on the third is a major plus a
And
minor.
minor,
That means
and
you're
then
doing
custom selection.
right. Then custom is that you can pick which one you want to do. You can just say I just want to trade dollar yen only, USD JPY. So so you have a preference of what you want to trade. That's when I come in and tell you what is the best. Even you can even ask on the lower right hand corner of the AI which are the best major pairs that I should trade. It will tell you in sequences. And AI do not hold nothing back. It will give you everything you need to do. The funny part, Brad, is that in AI industry, artificial intelligence, none of these platforms do not teach you or predict the market. AIs do not know how to do that. And no one has ever programmed it that way. I've looked everywhere. No one is doing it, Brad. I figured it out. I cracked the code. That's why some of my videos says I broke the Wall Street. So, you know, imagine million agents trading the foreign currency, crypto, and futures market. Are we going to kill the market? No. This market has $7 trillion worth of money is moving every single day. There's plenty of room for us to make. So
That's
we're going to be better than banks. Banks,
right. So let me ask you. So I got maximum positions open three. Is what it says.
yes,
Limit the number of simultaneous trades to manage risk exposure.
yes.
That's what you click to the right.
Yeah, you just click it, it will move,
Got it.
And, and
Maximum risk per trade 2%.
yeah, because it's not activated for you yet, so it's non-working order
Got it.
until I give you access to it. And
Okay.
then on the bottom, if you want to look at the documentation, click on a view documentation. We have a documentation room, hundreds of files. We have hundreds of videos, audibles, podcasts that I've developed over the years. So we have a lot more that I will show you in a second. So now
Okay.
go ahead and click left on the website.
Got it.
Yeah. So
Back to the war room. Okay.
right back, you see the war room and all that, but
Yeah.
the one that I have, the when you see live trading is go to let me see.
So click the red box, war room.
Yeah, go ahead and click that.
Okay.
Then when you go to active trades, then go to active trades,
Right.
and those you see. So euro dollar, I traded euro dollar this morning, and when you click that, it goes into a chart formation. Correct?
Let's see.
Click the entry of the euro dollar, EUR
Yeah, I
USD.
see it. The bars.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
And it's getting that gets crosshairs.
active signal says to go long, which means up. And so
Where's the active signal? I don't see it.
on the upper left hand corner, when you're in a euro dollar chart,
Oh, long. I see. I see. Go long.
yeah,
Okay.
it says to go long. Win probability 76%.
What's the minimum investment in here?
Oh my gosh, you can go anywhere from $100. You can go to unlimited amount of money because usually the lower amount, like three, four, $5,000, are considered micro accounts, small,
Yeah.
or they call it or e-minis. So you can do that. Let's say you have 5 grand in there, you can go up. It has a maximum leverage, and so also has a margin protection of 10% of money, so it doesn't run away with losses. It will shut it down automatically. So that's up to you how to,
The stop loss.
yeah,
Got it.
stop loss or leverage. You can control the leverage, and you can call up the broker that's tied to the account and say, hey, I want my margin account to be instead of 50 to 1, take it up to 100 to 1, please. Then they will click it up on their end. Okay, so you'll have that kind of connection to the broker account. TradingView has close to like 20, 25 brokers that you can utilize. And Forex.com is the best one that I've used. They're the easiest ones to work with. So as you can see
Okay.
on this chart, right now it's set up at 5 minutes, right? When you look at the left-hand corner upper, you see 5M.
Okay. 5M.
That's 5 minutes.
Upper left.
There's a 1 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. That's it.
5 minutes. Right.
It's set up at five as a default. But
Got it.
when you go to let me scroll down a little bit. You can look at a time as well. You can see the time of about 12 o'clock, 1500 hours, 1800 hours. Those are the times. And
I don't see that. Where is that?
scroll down a little bit. You got
Oh,
to
I see. I see. 15, 16, 30,
right,
1700. Yeah.
right. Then as you then right below it says 1 day, 5 day, 1M. That means it's covering the range. So if you click 3 months, you're only looking at 3 months time sequence of how he traveled.
Yeah. It's broken to a bottom, it looks like.
Right. It went all the way up, then it went down, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I mean my system it detects a pattern as well, but it reads the momentum, reads the heat map, it reads my door concept, front door and back door. So that is something I will be teaching you, and AI explains it to you, and I have a video for that as well, in our uh, part of help centers. So let's scroll it all the way up. Just go back out to the dashboard again.
Okay, dashboard.
Yeah,
Let's see. All right, where's my dashboard? That's
just go left click, just like website.
back office again.
Yeah,
That's my dashboard.
yeah, that's the dash. When I say dashboard, you see that's the beginning of it. It's like,
Virtual back office, right?
okay, let's see. I know where you're going. Not, I don't want you to go there. Not that back office. Just go to the dashboard. If you see it on a website, are you on your smartphone or are you on a
No, I'm on my dash. I'm on my computer.
computer? Yeah, usually when you see the
Oh, I
URL
see it's
on,
at the bottom. I got it.
yeah, when you see the dashboard on URL on the right hand side, that's what you see. You see all those boxes. When I say
Live,
dashboard,
real
it's the
time
boxes.
trade. Yeah, the circle with the AI
Yeah,
agent in it.
right. So Click. I'm kind of going all over the place because I just want to have some fun just navigating. I'm not going one by one. It's boring. I want to go to look for the box that says PWE AI Assistant.
Box
It, it's it's
PWAI. What column is it in?
uh, it's
I got it. PWIAS. Right. 24-hour trading assistant.
it, let me yeah, PWE Assistant, and
Right.
and that's where you go to type in questions. Any questions you may have. What is forex? You know, what is you can type in what is PWE system, and it will explain it to you in writing. That's PW Assistant is it's similar to the one on the lower right hand corner where the trader is sitting there.
Right. Right.
It's similar to that. So whenever you're stuck with a question, just click on that guy on the right hand corner. He will be able to explain it to you. Or you can even say, uh, I want to trade. Where do I go to know the status of the euro dollar as as of this moment? It will tell you where to go.
You got it.
So it's like another me. Okay.
Yep.
It takes a lot of work away from the support desk, even all the other groups out there, FXCM, the metadata, all these folks,
Got it.
they don't teach you shit. They just send you to a support desk and you got to navigate, and you don't get any right answers. They just give you basic analysis. They don't help you to trade. They just want to take your money and you go ahead and make wrong predictions, get into a wrong trade, and you end up wiping out your account.
Hold on a minute. I got to use the head.
Okay. All right, you're back.
I'll be there in a second. Hold on.
Okay.
Come on. This dog is
so,
huge already.
so you have an audience of the dog, huh?
Oh, the dog is probably 70 pounds already. He's 6 months old.
Oh my gosh, it's a big one. What is that?
He's
Saint
a,
Bernard or something?
no, Rhodesian Ridgeback.
Oh wow, wow! You don't see too many of those.
Nope.
Rare.
But my fourth one.
Oh my gosh, man.
All right,
Why?
so I see the PW assistant, right?
Right, right.
Right. Now go back to the desktop.
I mean, it's. I want to explain everything, but as we move forward, we're going to be having other sessions for the newbies as well. So you're going to hear more of it, and I'm going to try to record it as much as I can. You just have to click on every one of them and learn. There's a lot to learn, but simple method is to rely on the war room. The war room,
Let it auto trade. Just give it its head.
or even the auto trade, just let the system do the thinking and trading for you. Why would you want to learn to become the best trader in the world? It usually takes even 5 years, 10 years. You never become the best. You just because the system is like a casino because the house always wins. So if you do manual trading, you will get screwed because you're playing with emotion.
Right.
So I prefer everyone. I've been there and done that. I've lost my savings, bro. I can't even count, man. It's uh, you can get a divorce from it. Let's put it that way. So,
All right. I'm
uh,
going to set up auto trading.
yeah,
Oh, it's not. Oh, you got to set me up. I'm not fully.
yeah. I gotta set you up with that. What I'll do is I will set up a broker account for you, and I'll be setting up an API, application programming interface, so that way you get that API link, and then you see the money in your account. I'm not gonna touch your account. You touching
Got
it, you controlling it yourself.
it. What's this quantum trading assistant setup? Where I see this little converter.
Uh,
Where does that go?
let's see, the quantum super trend or quantum hub.
No, I'm on the auto trading site.
Are you on auto trading analysis? There's a couple of auto traders in there.
Yeah, well, we got QTA converter, global capital commodities. It's showing me a picture of this thing that you screw into something. It's like a little rectangle.
See, that's the thing. If I can see you, see, it's too bad I can't share
There's
your screen.
there's a picture of a QTA converter.
Okay. You're on a quantum hub. Okay, that's where you are. Okay, so quantum transceiver antenna. Is that what you're looking at?
I guess that's what it says. QTA converter 2.0, quantum transceiver antenna. Correct.
Yeah, it's all purple, right? That desktop is all purple.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that is the explanation of our tech. And when you click learn how it works, right before downloading the white paper, you see white paper information as well.
Let's see what that is. Live real time cross rates. Where is that?
Oh,
I don't see.
you on a different site, man.
I'm on PAC 1E quantum trading. AI powered Forex analysis meets quantum computing. Experience the future of currency trading.
Okay, I'm there. Okay, are you looking at on the left hand side? You see a robot.
I do.
Okay, yeah, you're on a different site. So that's fine. I'm there as well. And so yeah, it's this one is yeah. I just told them what we needed. Yeah, on a you see that QTA? It's got a converter. It's in a motion,
Yes.
right? That's our little unit. That is a
That's the
si- that
antenna.
that is the size of a house key.
That's the antenna.
Yeah.
And that goes what, into your TV or into your
Yeah.
computer?
Any electronic devices, man. It's like a USB port.
How do you get it into your computer?
What like
There's
the
no
U
you
like
don't have a USB.
yeah like no, it will have the USB. It will have everything that you need to connect. Each one of these units that I am marketing it to the hedge fund groups and all that. One of these units, 100 grand.
These
Okay.
little these little boxes.
Yeah, this little thing is 100,000. We're going to be selling it for. And
Yes.
and when they buy it, you're going to make half of that money to the hedge fund, to the hospitals. See, these are not for your regular Tom, Dick, and Harry traders. These are for really high end institutions. You get me?
Yeah.
Okay, because they may be making $10 million a month on high frequency trading, and our system is more accurate than their existing digital system, and their existing digital system gets hacked every day. So they can make $10 million a month, and guess what? What happens if the hacker gets involved in it? They shut off their system. It's frozen. They're going to lose a lot more money than that. So this system is anti-hackable. So we done all the testing in 3 different continents. We've never had a hack in the last 9 months. So this has been tested. It's ready to be deployed. And as you scroll down a little bit down on there, it'll tell you what would you like to do. You want to scalp? Now you're setting up a strategy of how you want to automatically trade. Because what we do is we set up the QTA converter system to our network. So when people sign up, they buy our app, they're going to be tied up to the quantum network with security. So each one of these antennas, it it covers 700-mile radius. Did you know that?
And how does that help? What does that do for 700 miles?
Well, for example, telecommunication towers. Those towers you see out there, the
Yeah.
T-Mobiles, the Verizons.
Right.
Uh, there are currently in California. There's currently approximately almost 1,000 towers. Each tower is about a $500,000, and the width of California is only 270 miles. You know that, right?
Right.
So in California, for us to cover the whole state of California, we only need two of these, size of a house key,
We're one in the north and one in the south.
just like that. So it encompasses together. It covers the perimeters. This is a crazy, like what Einstein said. It's a spooky tech, man. It's never nobody ever developed it. So we got it now. That's the reason why Trey and I and Michael Parazzo, the inventor of this tech, we're gonna do this together. Michael created it, but he's an inventor. He's not a salesman. He had a meeting with the Verizon. Verizon asked, instead of us using your system, we want to buy it. What's your selling cost on your system of your tech? We want to buy it from you. And Michael said $52 billion, and they said, "Oh, forget you guys," because what they wanted to do was just buy it and shelve it.
Take it over.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what everybody will want to do. So instead of us working in that manner, we're going to JV with all the institutions. The cool part is I'm going to be giving them a lot more power. I'm going to give them 3% raise to all the employees, giving them free medical wellness care, free pharmaceuticals. We're going to give them not only the cybersecurity system, but we're also going to give everyone a raise. If they have 5,000 employees, we're going to give every one of them a 3% raise on the on their wages. So they're going to sign up with us, and we're going to have hundreds and hundreds of millions of people in our organization. That's where the money is, and providing the best, what do you call it, the best cybersecurity system in the world. Because even the White House, the cell phones of the president, vice president, the Pentagons, they all been breached because the supercomputer is out now at $4,000, right? And so guess what? $4,000, it gives every hacker in the world a chance to break into the password and username. Okay, so now as you scroll down a little bit, you see live trading signals. 12 is active right now, correct?
Let me see. Where is this?
Yeah, scroll down
What?
from that video. Scroll
Right.
down a little bit more, and you see all these grids.
Yeah, I see the grid. Live trading signals. Yes.
Those are the real-time delivery system. As you can see on the top, it says USD CHF, dollar Swiss. RG means uh, red in the front, G in the back. These are the front door and the back door little thumbnails. RG, that means reducing, going down, going short on the right hand side that you see, the red arrow.
Okay. And GR is.
GR means great. G, green in the front, red in the back door.
This is all green. I'm looking at G.
GR means it's going
Pound
up.
versus New Zealand. It's going along.
Yep,
Then you got one again. RG NZDCHF.
yep. And if you see GG, just two of the same letters, you don't want to touch that. It's consolidating. It's no trade. That's
Okay.
my code. That's my metaphorical code that I trained the LLM to detect all the currencies. All 128 of them are moving simultaneously. So our code system breaks it all down, and yeah, you don't see any other same ones, do you? It's all GR or RGs.
Yep.
Most of them are going up. You know, only one that's the weakest is a CAD Swiss, CADCHF.
CAD CHF. Right. That's short.
Yeah, that's going short.
USD CHF is short too.
Let me see. I see two of them. NZDCHF. I'm seeing it on my end. Maybe your end is a little different. It may.
NZDCHF is short.
Yep, that's short. Then CAD Swiss right above that. CADCHF is short as well. But
Interesting.
you notice
Yep.
notice it shows you the trend too. Some are neutral. When it's neutral, you don't want to trade that. It's not going anywhere. So you don't want to favor that one. If you see bearish and it's got an RG on it, but if you read it like potential reversal, like some of these they have potential reversals on it. And it says the weakening and strengthening. Wait for Fibonacci confirmation. You see that writing? Wait for
Right.
Fibonacci confirmation. You know what that's telling you is don't buy it yet. It's going
Yeah.
short, but wait for Fibonacci confirmation. That means I program the AI how to detect that, figure out the Fibonacci positions of cross rate, which means the elevation of their chart. And so AI does all the thinking for you. And when it's ready to go, if it's time, we're talking about automatic trading here. The
Right.
system will automatically trigger and set the stop loss and set the target one, two, and a three. It knows when to get out. It knows when to get in. It knows what to buy and it knows what to sell. Some people say, "Well, how can you make money when you sell it?" Well, the easy way to analyze is that it's like, for example, if you're a truck driver, you're driving from Seattle to Los Angeles. That means if you look at the longitude latitude, that means it's going down, right?
Right.
And Do you get paid for delivering the product from Seattle to Los Angeles? Yes, you do. Correct? You get paid
Yeah.
because you're driving the truck. You're
Right.
charging them your truck fee or maintenance
Yeah.
fee, gas fee. So you still get paid on a delivery. Same thing when you deliver from LA to Seattle. Do you still get paid for delivering those? It may be a different product because you went down and now you're going back up. So that's the process of trading.
Got it.
You can buy and make money, and you can sell and make money. So they say shorting the market is dangerous. Are you effing kidding me? We can short it. Why not? Because we're making money. That's what hedge funds do. That's what pension funds. That's what
Yeah.
banks
No,
do.
I know they have professional traders that do it.
Yes.
Now, I looked at the webhook URL to get connected to TradingView,
Okay.
and it doesn't work.
Now, which one? Which one is that? Where you at?
Webhook. I'm on TradingView Auto app, auto trading setup.
Okay. Let me see. Uh, you need to see. We need to set up this sharing screen thing, man. I don't know where you went off to.
I'm on TradingView Auto Trading Setup,
Trading
and
views.
then you have a
Okay.
webhook URL and a webhook secret.
No, no, that's not. It's not set up for you yet, brother.
I got it. I
You
understand.
you're on a trial. You're not ready. You haven't paid
Yeah,
your
I'm
money
just
yet.
looking at. I'm just looking at stuff.
Yeah,
All right,
yeah.
I'm back at the War Room
Back at the war
page,
room.
the initial page. Welcome back.
Okay, got you.
So I'll play with this a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, play with it for a while, and then when we meet, I'll teach you again. And there's going to be a few others. Marianne, this other gal, she wants to learn too. She's got like 500 some odd people in her Facebook group, and she wants to bring people in. And so, the bottom line is that it's what's going to happen, Brad, is when people navigate. You haven't even seen all of it yet, bro. And it's when you see the live broadcasting. Uh, that's something I want to see if it works on you because I want to be able to sign you on it, send you a link on it, and you'll be able to see my screen because
Got it.
I'm going to be trading live and showing people how it works, even on an automation because my system detects the trades that's really important and what to avoid. And I want people to learn how to do it both manually and automatically as well. Because what good are you if you don't even know how to drive a truck when you don't know how to shift gears? Do you want to let the truck by itself and all of a sudden it goes sideways? What happens? It's because it's like driving a Tesla vehicle, autonomous cars. You want to make sure you still have the brakes on and just make sure it's not going to run into and kill anybody.
Right.
So, same thing here. I want to be able to teach you both manually, and it is really simple. The way I teach is so damn simple. Even elementary kids could learn how to trade and make money. It will help millions of moms out there with kids. They
I'd
don't.
probably just let the AI go for it.
It, I would, because the problem is human beings make mistakes. They get emotional. They see the thing go up, all of a sudden it goes down. They start freaking out, right? And so what our system does is it knows when to go up. It knows when to give room. It's like running with the dolphins. That you got a chain around the dolphin's tail, because when dolphins may come back and want to knock you out, but no, the dolphin is just going to. It remember it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Same thing with foreign currency or any trades.
People are going to take profits, whatever they are doing.
Exactly. Going there, you cannot complain if you made small profit, and get the hell out before you get axed out. Forex is very dangerous. That's the reason why uh, there is a strategy to trade. Let the automatic system do it for you. And what my system does is it gives you a parameter, and even professional traders will come into this room and go, "Damn, these guys they know
So
what they're
you're
doing."
just trading forex, right? You're not doing stock.
No, this
Oh,
I will not recommend. Let me ask you. Let me ask you. Why would you want to make 6-to-1 ratio when you can make 50-to-1 in forex capital
no,
market?
I don't disagree.
But some folks like stocks, and it's I can set up as a stocks too. I'll make money. I can sell this automation system. This system right now, I can sell it for 10 grand a pop, Brad.
Yeah.
All right, because right now the Bloomberg forex and stocks and all that system is $2,000 a month just to get regular real time data. I used to have one. Put your thumbprint on there, the coaxial with the keyboard. It's got all these macro keys on it. That's what Wall Street players do, and that's when I was using midterm notes, trading those, using the ISINs and QSIT numbers. I did that for 5 years, 2 grand a month, man. And then if you want to be good in forex, another plugin is another $800 a month just for forex.
Got it.
So, can I charge people 200? Even on a war room, I'm going to charge them $197 a month just to come in and watch us trade in real time on live broadcasting. Now, on your square thumbnails on your page of the dashboard,
Yeah.
do you see a live broadcasting button at all?
Where would that be? Which column?
On my side is
Yes, it does. Yes, real-time screen sharing.
okay, yeah. So you can share that screen with someone in your team or me sharing my screen to you. I want to make sure that works. So now, why don't you go ahead and click that live broadcast and tell me what it looks like?
Okay, I see it looks like a television screen. It says premium feature locked, live screen broadcast.
Okay, and you see the video that's behind it, right?
Right, right. And
And
then it says you go down, it's 195 a month, cancel anytime.
okay, I don't see that on my end. That's fine.
Yes, it's $195 per month, premium live broadcast access.
Okay.
Cancel anytime, 30-day money back guarantee.
Yes. And so that's when I will literally, yeah, they pay and they will watch and they can manually trade because a lot of people like to do manual trading, believe it or not. Okay. So I'm giving them both options. So now I'm trying to see.
Are you registered as a broker dealer?
No. Now, when you, no. See, if I am trading it money for them, I will have to have that kind of licensing. It
You're
takes
just giving them access to your
to my,
technology, but you're trading your own and they trade their own. They make their own decisions.
exactly. I don't want any lawsuits. I don't want the attorney general coming at my ass. It FinCEN regulated. Now I can hire somebody to be on our team, and I can have regulation. Uh, See, the law is if you I can trade for 13 individuals by law. I can trade for each person, no problem. But when you go beyond that, you're going to have different entities, regulations that are coming in, FinCEN. That's when the broker needs to. You got to have that license. So this here is simply I'm sharing them my view because as I click, I got to figure out how I can. Let me click start broadcasting. I'm just playing with this for now. Let me see what window I want to share. Okay, I'm sharing it now. I'm trying to see how I can have you see my screen. Uh, I got to figure that out.
Well, we can get together and do this again. It's not a
Yeah,
problem.
yeah, we'll do that again. But I wanted to just give you some
Just
overview, man.
Yeah, I'm very impressed with
Yeah, thank
it.
you.
Very cool. Very cool.
I like it, man.
Thank you, man.
See, the thing is, you can't sell. See, system like this. How do I say this? 7 years ago, I had a webinar for 1 hour and 8 minutes, and it's just a broadcasting of my live trading, and it's got the sales pitch, call to action, and all that. And people downloaded my software at 2,997, and I sold 300 of them at 3 grand in 30 days. Okay, just teaching
Yep.
them how to trade foreign currency, just live manually, and we didn't even have AI then. So now I incorporated the AI, I incorporated my metaphorical reasoning technology of a PWE code. You know, I'm using that name because that was my original Korean name when I was born there.
Okay.
So so now
Got it.
we have AI support now. We have live delivery system, and I can trade live and teach people how to use it. And if they want automation, I can set them up with the automation, and they pay a monthly fee of automation. You know, I can even set it up where okay, our system will trade for you. I'll charge you less money. I'll take 20%. You know, or I'll take 30%. Some guys, I remember I had five different individuals. They say, let's just split. You make 50% and you do all the work, LT. I go, no problem. I use my system. I make money. So I could do this all day long. But now I don't want to trade. I've been there and done that for 25 years, man. I want to go ahead and have people become a subscriber, and I want to bring in 1,000 agents in the next 3 months. That's a lot of people, but you know what? AI makes us do that because someone may say, "Hey, I want to buy 10 units of your Pac system," and I said, "Well, that means you have to have 10 different entities or 10 different accounts." Uh, my system will do the trading for you. So you got 10 automatic systems making you money. Uh, if you got large margin account, it's all up to you, and I can coach you how to do that and scale it up. So it's like having a Bitcoin mining farm, and
Right.
how many servers you want. They have 100,000 units of it. That's how they make their small money multiplied by all the BTCs and Ethereums that they generate from electron delivery. You know, all crypto is it's you're getting paid by service fees.
Right.
It's nothing unique. So, but we're gonna set it up so that way you have a Google Wallet, so that way when people sign up, uh, you get paid immediately in real time, and that's the component. It's already built. We're ready to go. So and also the hardware. We got the hardware. Uh, I'm going to be approaching the hospitals. Hospitals, I'm focusing first for cybersecurity provision. It's some of these hospitals. They got an IT team. They can't even secure their network.
You ought to grab Drake and get him over here. He'd be perfect for this.
I think so. For him, it's 3 months time. He still has to have time to move on out
Yeah,
here.
got to give 90 days. Got to give 90 days notice.
Yeah, yeah. So it's all up to him. It's it just depends how much money he wants to make. As far as I'm concerned, he can make $1 million a month. I don't know how much he's doing over there. I bet you with this network, he'll make $1 million a month, no problem. That's where the money is. When you work for people, for cyber companies like that, they run you like a slave. So, but let's build this first. Uh,
Yeah.
as far as a pen test, I do have some other individuals with the pen testing knowledge. They want to get involved in it, but I'm only focusing on what we're doing now. And then there's going to be I got Michael Parasso. He's the inventor. He's the tech guy. He can answer the calls from all the hospitals or the cyber companies, and we provide the hardware and we give them a support. And you know, even Steve Favis, I wanted him to be part of this lineup. He effed up, man. He just went psycho, and so it's his loss. But we'll be hiring some tech people. I got Michael online already. He'd be able to get on the phone and answer all the questions from the IT people. And so it's big money. We can generate, anywhere from 5,000 to $100,000 a month on the cybersecurity provision. Because right now, since the supercomputer is out, the hackers are having a great time. They're going to penetrate every username and passwords. Everybody is vulnerable right now in digital market, and we're the only solution to give them the protection.
Is this better on Chrome or better on uh, um, what do you call it on?
Well, so far from AI, I've studied a lot on it, It works on all platforms.
Okay.
So if there's going to be a hiccup, I'll just have to have my tech to take care of the debugging or whatever, and I can do that myself. I mean, right now, Brad, the AI that's out there right now, I'm using all of them. I'm not just using one. I'm using multiple AIs all integrated together. We got Claude, we got OpenAI, we got every LLMs and two MLMs that is all provided. I'm using all of them, and the debugging and all that, it just takes seconds. And so even as we like you asked me, well, can I put my picture up there? Let me see if got it all fixed. Yeah, got it all fixed.
I
It,
just got to find it. That's all.
yep.
Cool.
All right, my
All right.
man. We'll talk more tomorrow. I'm gonna get some few ideas.
All right.
I wanna be sure that I can do a live streaming with you as well. Okay.
All right. I'm here.
All right, man. Welcome. You on
Thank
board
you.
right now, bro?
Thank you.
Oh, you're
Thank you.
welcome.
When will you finish setting me up? How long?
Tomorrow.
Cool. All right.
All
You
right,
have a
my
good
man.
night.
Talk
Bye
tomorrow.
bye.
Okay, goodbye. Okay. Brad is on board, Denise. Yeah, he says my son Drake would be happy to work with you, and we shall see. Yeah, Brad says I'm impressed. Oh, Daisy. Oh, you over here. Oh, yeah, good.
just have egg rolls
You did?
the other day.